very interesting part we are going to start today, that is assembly. So what we have to do is we have to make different parts in different files, and that parts you have to save with Control S and save it in some other folder on the desktop or somewhere wherever is uh, possible. What we can do is we have to start FreeCAD. This is what your software is. I would like to show what file already we have created, so I'll be just saying open. So I'll show existing files that I have made for assembly. One is the base. I'll open that file. So this is what my base I have, so I can show you here. This is what my base file. Another one more file I have created, that is vertical, so that I have saved with the word, that I will open here. So you can see there is a vertical file I have created. So what I have to do is I have to assemble these two parts together. So I'll show you in this video how to assemble those parts. What you have to do is you have to say go to file menu, say new. So this is what your new file. You have to shift on the A2 plus workbench. So this is our drop down menu where we have till date worked with the sketcher, other part we have worked with the part design, and third part we are going to work with the assembly, that is A2 plus. As assembly 2 wasn't working for this computer that I'm using, so I'm using here A2 plus for my assembly, final assembly. Let's select that option. Save this file in the, I'll say assembly is my final file. So this is what I have base. Here at the downside I have vertical, and at the end I have assembly. So with the assembly what we have to do is, here we have got so many tools. We should be able to use make use of these tools. What we can do is we have to import those part file here. So this is what the first small icon that we can use to import those file here. So click on this, open your base file, say open, scroll up, scroll down, and this is what my base here. Click. Another file I have to open, that is what, this is also my another file. So you can see this is what my file is. So what you have to use is select this, go to navigation style, go to the CAD, right click and navigation. So where you have to shift this. So let's say I want to keep this here. Okay. So what I have to do is I want the base of this should be attached to the backside, downside of this edge should attach to upside of this edge. So what I can do is I can use move, so a small icon, select that icon. So this is what I can do. See, so this is how I can move my object. So right now I'm trying to, okay, this is what in this axis I can move. What I would like to do is I would like to move this part in this direction. Okay, so, and this is what the other direction I have. Okay, I want to move it to this side. Okay, so this is what I can do. Okay, I have to take it little that side. So this is what I'm able to do it. Let's right click, navigation style. I would like to open inventor. So I'll be able to move it to this side. So this is not the same plane. What I have to do is I have to also move it to the Z direction. Go to again CAD. Yes,